Okay, hello everyone. Now please join me to unboxing the latest version of Realme. Well, first here I will open the box. And then you can see, here we get the square that contains documents such as a warranty card, SIM ejector, and also phone case. Okay, and then the unit of Realme C67, 33-watt charger and Type-C cable. Okay, so for the designs, it is quite attractive and gives an expansive and elegant impressions. And then the camera design here, it is surrounded by a gold ring, so it is looks so pretty. Okay, as usual, at the bottom, it has slots for the headset, charger, and microphone. And then at the top, it is also had the mic or audio hole. And lastly, on the side, it has the fingerprint sensor and SIM card slot. Okay, and then here is the detailed look of the Realme C67. Okay, and then for the specifications, the Realme C67 used the Snapdragon 685 chipset with a RAM capacity of 8GB and two storage options, 128GB and 256GB, and also support 14 Android versions. Okay, and then for the screen specification, it has a resolution of 1080 full high definition and refresh rate at 90Hz. However, this Realme C67 is not AMOLED or still an IPS LCD type. Okay, after that for the camera specifications, the main resolution is 108 megapixel, which support night mode, panorama, time-lapse, and many more. Okay, one more camera on the back has a resolution of 2 megapixel, which features depth sensor. Okay, onto the battery. Realme C67 is equipped with 5000 mAh capacity and also support by 33-watt Super VOOC fast charging. Last but not least, this device is already support the NFC feature, which can facilitate you in many ways. Okay, that's the unboxing of the latest version of Realme. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.